Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making ginger beer, nice and easy, homemade. You can't go wrong if you make it yourself. So here we go. Our ingredients, we have some fresh lime, some fresh ginger, some sugar, and then we've got some spices. So to start with, we want to prepare the ginger. We're just going to grate this until it's all grated, and then add that to a pan. Next, just get yourself some water and add that to the ginger in the pan, like this. Then we want to add the spices, so got some cinnamon and some cloves. Drop those in. Then the lime juice, just half your limes and squeeze in all of the juice, like this. So that's the main ingredients done to start it cooking. So we just want to put this on the heat on about medium and bring it up to a boil, and once it's boiling, just leave it to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove it from the heat and leave it to cool. So once it's cooled, it's going to take a bowl and use a muslin cloth, or you can use a sieve, and we just want to pour out all of the mixture into the cloth so we can strain it. By using this, you're able to get out all of the juice and you can squeeze out the liquid. So once you've squeezed out all of the liquid, it should look something like this. Then you can add the sugar and then just whisk all of that in until it's nicely dissolved. And that is basically the ginger beer done. So I'm just going to put this in a jug and it's ready to serve. Store it in the fridge and that is it. Nice and easy guys. I hope you like this one. Until the next time, peace and love.